If you are wondering how to write clickable headings and subheadings in SEO content writing, you have come to the right place. In this lecture, we will dive into practical tips and examples to help you create headings that engage readers and enhance SEO. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In this lecture, we will delve into the art of crafting clickable headings and subheadings in SEO content writing. Writing compelling headings is crucial for grabbing readers' attention and improving click-through rates. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the complete makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's begin by understanding why clickable headings are essential in SEO content writing. They act as the first point of contact with your audience. A well-crafted heading entices readers to engage with your content, leading to higher click-through rates. Clickable headings contribute to improved search engine rankings by increasing user engagement. Now, let's explore practical strategies and examples to create headings that users cannot resist clicking. First, we have be specific and descriptive. Clearly convey what the section or content is about. For example, 10 proven tips for boosting your website's SEO ranking. Got it? Next, we have use numbers and lists. Numbers provide a sense of structure and promise value. For example, top 5 SEO techniques to skyrocket your online visibility. The next strategy is ask questions. Encourage curiosity by posing questions. For example, want to dominate SEO rankings? Discover these SEO secrets. Got it? The next strategy is create a sense of urgency. Use words like now, today or immediately to prompt action. For example, implement these SEO strategies today for instant results. You got my point? So, the next is highlights benefits and solution. Focus on benefits readers will gain or problems you will solve. For example, achieve higher rankings and more traffic with our SEO guide. Next, we have evoke emotions. Connect with your readers on an emotional level. For example, feel the power of SEO success with our expert tips. Got it? The next we have keep it concise. Aim of brevity while conveying the essence of your content. For example, master SEO in 5 simple steps. I hope these examples will help you to understand better. Please focus on these examples and do practice and do practice. Practice makes man perfect. So, let's see these strategies in action with some practical examples. Example 1. See here, before it was SEO tips and after unlock SEO success with these 7 actionable tips. The first title was quite plain, but the improved one is more appealing. It promises readers that they can achieve SEO success by following 7 practical tips. You got my point? Example 2. Before link building strategies. After boost your rankings now with our proven link building tactics. In the new title, we not only clarify the purpose but also make it urgent. See? It encourages readers to act immediately because they believe these tactics will help improve their websites rankings. Got it? So, the example 3. Before it was keyword research, and in after discover hidden opportunities, the art of keyword research. This better title turns a boring topic into an interesting one. You got it? It suggests that keyword research is not just a task but an art, and it promises readers they will find valuable insights by exploring further. These examples demonstrate how crafting clickable headings involves adding specificity, action-oriented language, and a sense of value or intrigue to engage readers and improve SEO performance. So, in conclusion, we can say that crafting clickable headings and subheadings is an art that can significantly impact the success of your SEO content. Be specific, use numbers, ask questions, create urgency, highlight benefits, evoke emotions, and keep it concise. Experiment with these strategies to find what resonates best with your audience. When your headings compel readers to click, you are on your way to improved engagement, higher rankings, and SEO success. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 45, where we explored the art of writing clickable headings and subheadings in SEO content writing. If you are looking for exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.